So you have this great story idea, but what are you going to do with it? How do you develop it? Use the beginner's guide. The planner can turn your story idea into a complete plan for a novel. You need an AI writing assistant. You just may not know it yet. The initial step in creating a story is to develop characters who will hold the reader's attention. The second step is to create a riveting plot. You tell the story through scenes, and these must be designed to match the story. Mind mapping a story before you start to write the first draft gives the story continuity and allows you to control it. The storytelling has to hold the reader's interest or the story is a failure. Once the manuscript is complete, you advance onto the publishing work. Book marketing success depends upon first building a strong marketing foundation. Once the book is published, you own a business. The first step is to download a free copy of the Beginner's Guide Starter Kit, then determine which Beginner's Guide you can use. These books are all available on Amazon. Each of them can be read in one evening and applied the next day.